Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all guys in this very important session what we have planned for you based on percentages part 2, where we are going to discuss some other very important problems as we have already done in the class 1. As we have already done in the class 1, so we are going to begin up that and we'll discuss other important problems for the upcoming SSC CGL 2022 examination. Is I'm clearly audible, visible? If yes, please do let me know by your comments as well. If yes, please do let me know by your comments as well, guys, about audio visual. About audio visual. So SSC CGL 2022 preparation. So today we will discuss over the questions which involve percentage more, percentage less, which involves percentage more, percentage less. We will discuss very important questions over them. Hello Harika, hello Jivita, very good evening. Please do the sharings as well, guys. Please do the sharings as well uh, across the telegrams, across the different WhatsApp groups, so that others can also join us. Okay, great. I'm asking you, A is 33 1 by 3% more than B. What is the ratio of A over B? What is the ratio of A over B? Good evening, Putin. Good evening. Okay. So, A is 16.67% less than B. What is A ratio B? What is A ratio B? I know I'm starting very easy, but you never know, guys, when I will change the gears. You never know when I will change the gears, okay? 33 1 by 3% is 33 1 by 3% is 1 by 3. More, so positive sign. More means positive sign. So if B is 3, A is 1 more. If B is 3, A is 3 plus 1, 4. A is 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, good. 66.167%. 66.67% is 1 by 6. Less means negative sign. Less means negative sign. So if B is 6, then A is 1 less than 6. A is 6 minus 1, that is 5. Cool. So entire today, guys, we will be dealing with these kind of questions, and it is not about that all of them are going to be that much easy. Most of them would be quite good as well. Most of them would be quite good as well. Good evening, Sarathi, as well. Good evening, Sarathi, as well. Okay. So can we start now? Can we start now, guys? Other things we will tackle with the help of problems. All the very best. Enjoy yourself. Is the last question of yesterday was clear? Is the yesterday last question was clear? Is the yesterday last question was clear? If yes, then I will move on and will not discuss this. Okay. So, okay, you just decided by yourself. Then I will bring it on if required. I will bring it on if required. Okay. Come on, guys, quickly share and like. Quickly share and like. We have already discussed the previous question in the last minute. Okay. If required, I can do it once again, just for your confidence. Two numbers are 35 and 40% less than third number. Two numbers are 35%, 40% less than the third number. Okay, both are compared from the third number. Assume the third number as 100. Assume the third number as 100. Assume the third number as 100. First is 35% less. Hello, Manju. First is 35% less. So 35% less than 100 is 100 minus 35, 65. Second is 40% less. Hello, Shanghu Sanmugha Priya. Sanmugh Priya. B is 40% less. So 40% less than 100 is 40% less than 100 is 60. Now read the question very carefully. Now read the question very carefully. By how much percentage the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? By how much percentage the second number should be enhanced to make it equal to the first number? So which number you need to change? Which number you need to change? You need to change B. You want to make B from 60 to 65 because you want this to be equal to A. You want this to be equal to A. So B is changed from 60 to 65. B is changed from 60 to 65 because you want B to be equal to A and A is 65. So you are increasing B by 5. So increment of 5 over 60 is 1 by 12. Is 1 by 12. Increment of 5 over 60 is 1 by 12. Convert 1 by 12 into percentage. It's 8.33%. Why some of the good students have also marked it wrong? Why some of the good students has also marked it wrong? Because you have to increase the second number. You have to increase the second number. Second number initially is 60. Second number initially is 60. You want to make it equal to first number. First number is 65. So basically 60 should be changing to 65. Increment of 5 over 60, 1 by 12 into 100, 8.33. How can you make it wrong? How can you make it wrong, guys? Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Hello, Sudeep. Is it clear to all? If yes, please do raise the thumbs ups. This was the moment. Okay. Let's move on. Let's move on. Second question of the day. Exactly the same. Just apply the logic. Exactly the same. Just apply the logic. Well done, Putin, Sarathi, and Jivita. Exactly the same. Just apply the same logic. Two numbers are 40 and 80% less than the third number. Again, assume the third number as 100. First number is 40% less. First number is 40% less. So 100 minus 40 is 60. And second number is 80% less. Second number is 80% less. 100 minus 80 is 20. Now read the information very clearly. Now read the information very carefully. By how much percentage the second number to be enhanced? Second number should be enhanced by how much to make it equal to the first number? So second number originally is 20. Second number originally is 20 and you want to make it 60 because first is 60. So second number is originally 20 and you want to make it 60. So how much should be the increment? How much should be the increment? You want to make 20 as 60. You want to make 20 as 60. So there is an increment of 40. Increment of 40 over the original value of 20 into 100 is 200%. Clear? Sarathi, you identified your error. And well done all others. Sarathi, you identified your error and well done all others. If there is any doubt, you can ask me till now. Everything clear? Everything clear? Okay. Great. Third question of the day. Please guys, let me know by the comments as well because I want guys this time 35 out of 35. I want, sorry, I'm talking about me. Initially 25 out of 25, then 30 out of 30. Initially 25 out of 25, then 30 out of 30. Whatever happens. Whatever happens. Huh? No, Sarathi, they were very clearly saying that second number should be enhanced by how much? And second number is B. Yeah. Second number is. So you have to check that 20 should be enhanced to how much? 20 should be enhanced to how much? Okay. Two numbers are 20 and 40% more than the third number. Assume the third as 100. So first is 20% more. So 120 and second is 40% more. So 140. 40% more from whom? C. 40% more. And first is 20% more. 20%. Read the language very carefully. Read the language very carefully, guys. What is the language? What percentage is the second number more than the first number? It is asking second number is how much more than the first number. Now the language is different. Now the language is different. It is very clearly asking that second number is how much more than the first number. Second number is how much more than the first number. So basically I will need to find out that second is how much more than first, their difference, and comparison should be done with the first number. Or comparison should be done with the first number. So their difference over comparison with A into 100. So what is B minus A? B minus A is 20 over A 120. 1 by 6. And what is 1 by 6 into percentage? We have learned it yesterday. 16.67 or 16.2 by 3. 16.67 or 16.2 by 3. Is it clear to all, guys? There was a slight difference of the language. There was a slight difference of the language. That is why this is the way out. Perfect. 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 Okay. So let's move on to the fourth question of the day. Cool. Cool. Again, guys, each and every one session is dedicated to CGL 2020 aspirants. Each and every session is dedicated to you guys. Just watch them multiple times. Just watch them multiple times and make the good notes. And make the good notes. Buy a register of maybe 500 or 300 pages and just follow it dedicatedly. Just follow it dedicatedly, guys. Just follow it dedicatedly. Do you remember these percentages? They are the derivatives. They are the derivatives of the percentages discussed in the previous session. They are the derivatives of the percentage discussed in the previous session. It is, I think, 14.28 into 3. And this is 11.11% into 5. And this is 9.09% into 6. Yeah? Yeah? Okay, I just told you the 5 to 6 important percentages and they all were the part of it. They all were the part of it. 14.28, 14.28, 11.11, 9.09%. Guys, what is 14.28? 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 into 3, 3 by 7. It is 1 by 9 into 5, so 5 by 9. And this is 1 by 11. This is 1 by 11. So 1 by 11 into 6, 6 by 11. 6 by 11. Increasing. Increasing means positive. Plus 3, plus 5, plus 6. So, increment of 3 over 7, increment of 5 over 7, increment of 7 over 11. Now, what are their previous prices? Their prices were 7, 9, 11. Rice, oil, and sugar. Previous. Now, there is an increment of 3 over 7. So, new price will become 7 plus 3, 10. New price will become 7 plus 3, 10. Because initially it was 7 and there is an increment of 3 over 7. Okay. In the second, there is an increment of 5 over 9. In the second, there is an increment of 5 over 9. So you will say, sir, 9 plus 5, 14. In the third, there is an increment of 6 over 11. So 11 is original, 11 plus 6, 17. Now, what they are asking? Find the percentage expenditure in the expenses. Total, guys. They are asking about the total expense increase. They are asking about the total increase in the expenditure. They are asking about the total increase in the expenditure. What was the original expenditure? 11 plus 9, 20 plus 7, 27. And what is the new? The new is 17, 27, 31, 41. So there is an increment of 14. There is an increment of 14 over 27 into 100. So it's 1400 by 27% is the increment. Correct? Correct. Please do watch out once, guys. Please do watch out once. Please do watch out once. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Today also, guys, there is going to be a question of day. Today also there is going to be a question of the day. So who is in the race for today question of the day? Rashmi was leading with 1 point. Rashmi was leading with 1 point. If she would not be present, someone would else will lead. So the regularity is also very important. A is 40% less than B. Assume B as 100. So A is 40% less means 60. A is 40% less means 60. C is 40% of C is 40% of A plus B. You will say, sir, this is 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of A plus B. And what is A plus B? It's 160. Let me write it systematically. Let me write it systematically, guys. 2 by 5 of 160. 2 by 5 of 160. 64. C is known, A is known, B is known. Now answer whatever they are asking. Now answer whatever they are asking. They are asking is the difference between A and B is what percentage of C? Wow. The difference between A and B, the difference between A and B is what percentage of C? So A minus B is what percentage of C into 100. So they are asking that A minus B is what percentage of C? What is A minus B, bacha? A minus B is 40. So 40 is what percentage of C? And C is 64 into 100 into 100. If you know the table of 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24. It's 1000 by 16 percentage. Which is 16 6 ja 96. 40. 16 2 ja 32. 16 5 ja 80. Any doubts, guys? If there are any, please do let me know. If there are any, please do let me know, guys. I am still on the question. I am still on the question, not leaving the question alone. Clear? Clear, guys? Okay. Poten. Okay. HR A is 40% less than B, so we assume B as 100, so A is 40 less. 40 less means 60. C is 40% of A plus B. 40% means simplify by 20, 2 by 5. 2 by 5 of A plus B. So 2 by 5 of 160, C is 64. C is 64. They are asking the difference between A and B. The difference between A and B. The difference between A and B is what percentage of C? Is what percentage of C? The difference between A and B is 40. The difference between A and B is 40. Sign is not important because they are asking the difference, absolute. Anyone can be greater, anyone can be shorter. So 40 is the difference and value of C is 64. Simplify by 4. 16 4 just 64. 1000 by 16, 62.5% is the answer. Next. Next. A is 75% less than B. Oh wow. A is 75% less than B. So if B is 100, A is 75% less. So only 25. A is 75% less. So only 75. And C is 75% of difference between A and B. Only the difference is important. Apply the mod. Only the difference is important. Apply the mod. Okay? 75% means 75 by 100. 75 by 100 is basically 3 by 4, but I am writing as of now. And A minus B difference is, also 75. So 75 by 100 of 75. Wow. It's 3 by 4, which is becoming 225 by 4. So C is 225 by 4. C is 225 by 4. And A is 25. And A is 25. Now look what they are asking. C is what percentage more than A? So C is 225 by 4 and A is 25. कितना ज़्यादा है? Do you want to simplify it? Yes, we should. We should simplify, guys. 25 1 ja 25, 25 9 ja this. So it is 9:4. It is 9:4. We should simplify, guys, to make our calculation looking easier. Because in the percentage more and percentage less, only their ratio is important, not their actual values. In the percentage more and percentage less, only their ratio is important, not the values. So C is how much more than A? You will say, sir, it is 5 more. 5 more. 5 more, which is coming off 9 minus 4. Then A. So comparison from A. 5 over A is 4. 125%. 125%. Any issues, guys, whatsoever? Any issues whatsoever? Come on, do reply. Come on, do reply, guys. Any issues whatsoever? So we are more than halfway of the session. We are more than halfway of the session. So now any kind of questions can come. Now any kind of questions can come. Be attentive. I think I am keeping quite a questions. I should reduce one or two. Otherwise, the question of the day sometimes goes at maybe after 50 minutes. After 50 minutes. So we need to bring it in 35 to 45. We need to bring the question of the day between 35 minutes to 45 minutes. Let's see at what time it will come today. A number is increased by X%. A number is increased by X% to get to the original number. Let the original number is 100. If you increase it by X%, increment of X% over 100 is increment of X. So new number will become 100 plus X. New number will become 100 plus X. New number will become 100 plus X. To get back to the original number, it should be decreased by X. To get back to the original number, it should be decreased by X. It should be decreased by X. So there is a decrement of X over 100 plus X. So there is a decrement of X over the value of 100 plus X. Because you are decreasing which number? You are decreasing the new number. You are decreasing this number. So decrement of X should be taken over its present status. Like you are decreasing this, you are not decreasing this, you are decreasing this. So decrement of X over 100 plus X. Decrement of X over 100 plus X. Convert into percentage, multiply by 100. Convert into percentage, multiply by 100. Convert into percentage, multiply it by 100. Clear? Clear, guys? Clear? Let's move on. This is looking doable. This is looking doable. Easy peasy kind of question. Quickly like and share the sessions as well, guys. Quickly like and share the sessions as well. We want this CGL to be at our hands. We want this CGL to be at our hands, okay? At any cost. At any cost. %25 of X is equal to 3 by 4 of Y is equal to 0.2 of Z. 0.2 is 2 by 10 of Z. If you directly want the relation, first simplify them. So X by 4, 3 by 4Y, and it is Z by 5. Guys, if you directly want the relation, if you directly want the relation, make sure that the coefficient of x, y and z are not there. If you directly want the relation, guys, make sure that there would be no coefficient of x, y and z. So, divide by the LCM of 1, 3 and 1. Divide by the LCM of 1, 3 and 1. Numerators. Divide by the LCM of 1, 3 and 1. You can write it down. LCM of 1, 3 and 1 is 3. So divide by 3. So x upon 4 into 3. Now this is 3y over 4 into 3 is equal to z over 5 into 3. Now it will become integer. X by 12 is equal to y by 4 is equal to z by 15. So they are their direct values. So x, y, z is in 12, 4, 15. X, Y, Z is in 12, 4, 15. X, Y, Z are in 12, 4, 15. X, Y, Z are in 12, 4, 15. Clear? It's 35. It's 35. Let's see what comes. Each and every question is important. Each and every question is important. Hello Ganesh, you were late. Kindly finish it in the recording. Kindly finish it in the recording. Quickly like and share, guys. Those who have done the sharing part, please do the liking part as well if you are liking it. If you are learning it, then you can do. A is 80% more than B. So assume B as 100. A is 80% more, so A is 180. A is 80% more, so A is 180. Now C is 48 4 by 7% less. Oh my God. If I say you, this is Sudeep and this is Shrivani, that Sudeep has 100 rupees and Shri has 20% less. Shri has 20% less. Means Shri has 80%. If Shri has 20% less, can I say Shri has 80% of Sudeep? If Shri has 20% less than Sudeep, I can also call it as that Shri has 80% of Sudeep. Isn't it? So similarly, if C is 48 4 by 7% less, so subtract this from 100. 100 minus 48 4 by 7 is, assume it 49. So 51 plus 3 by 7. 51 plus 3 by 7. So C is 51 3 by 7% off. A plus B. It is 757, 357 plus 3, 360 by 7. 360 by 7, convert percentage, divide by 100 of A plus B. And A plus B is 280. And A plus B is 280. 1 0 gone, 2 0 gone. This is also gone 4 times. So C is a 36 into 4, 144. Is it clear, guys? You will come in next questions. Yeah, you will come in next questions. Huh? It is purely coincident with no planning whatsoever. With no planning whatsoever, might be they were at the screen at that moment of time. Okay. So there was no planning like this. Yeah. Okay. Why? What percentage C is less than? Kya? Yeah. Okay. Why? What percentage C is less than A? By what percentage C is less than A? So their difference comparison has to be done with A. So difference over A into 100. Difference over A into 100. What is A minus C difference? A minus C difference is the 36. So a difference of 36 over 180 into 100. This will simplify 5 times. 5 by 100, 20%. Please do watch out. Please do watch out. Difference of 36 over 180 into 100, 1 by 5 into 100, and 1 by 5 into 100 is 20%. 1 by 5 into 100 is 20%. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Come on, tell me. Any issues? Anything, guys, which I need to repeat? Or anything which I need to repeat, guys? Okay. Okay. So let's move on. Marks, guys, we can left for the next class as well. Marks we can left for the next class as well. Okay. And after, I think if we can do this today, then the next question is the question of the day. Okay, Sarathi. Marks we can do it in an individual class. Marks we can do in an individual class. Okay. So we have left the things systematically, planned, in a planned manner, guys. We have left the marks question in a planned manner. The difference between 38% of a number and 22% of a number is 3200. So 8 minus 2, 6, 3 minus 2, 1. 16% of the number is 3200. 16% of the number is 3200. Okay. What is 15 by 2 divided by 3? I think this is, bacha, 31 by 2% of the number. They are asking us what is 31 by 2% of the number. 31 is a prime number. 31 is a prime number. No one can cancel it out. No one can cancel it out. It will always remain in the multiplication. It will always remain in the multiplication. So answer should be a multiple of 31. Otherwise, find out the number. So number 16 by 100 over 3200 is 16 2 ja. So number is 20,000. So 31 by 2% of 20,000 we can find out very easily. 3,100. Both solutions clear, guys? Both solutions clear? Complete as well and multiple as well? Both solutions clear? Complete as well and number as well? I'm bemused and I'm becoming good in maths, so questions are easy. Okay, you are thinking whether you are good at maths or the questions are easy. No, neither the questions are easy. You are becoming good at maths. You are in the process of becoming good. You are in the process of becoming good. Yeah. You are in the process of becoming good. Okay. Questions are not easy for sure. Add the marks to your score. Your time begins now. Your time begins now. So we have started the question of the day at 46 minutes. So we would be easily explaining it and winding up the session. Sharathi is at the first answer. I will pray that she will become correct. HR, okay. Harika. So what do you think, Harika? Has HR got the point today? What do you think, Harika? Has HR got the point today? Okay. The weight of a copper bucket increased by 28 4 by 7%. Guys, 14 1 by 7 is 1 by 7. So 28 2 by 7 is going to be 2 by, this is 2 by 7. So this is 48 4 by 7 is going to be 2 by 7. So weight is increasing. So weight is increasing by 2 over 7. Weight is increasing by 2 over 7. So copper bucket weight is increasing by 2 over 7. Initially, let's suppose it was 7x and now it is 9x. Originally. Or we can say empty. When it was empty. So when it is 50% full, its weight is 9x. When it is 50% full, it is 9x. So, can I say, guys, that weight of this 50% water, Weight of this 50% water is 2x. Weight of this 50% water is 2x. Which of the following may be the weight of the bucket when it is filled with water? When it is completely filled with water. When it is completely filled with water. So weight of 100% water would be 4x. So empty is 7x and water is 4x. So can I say the new weight is 11x when it is completely filled? When it is completely filled. When it is completely filled. Okay, when it is completely filled. Now, which of the following may be the weight of the bucket when it is filled with water? Assume the weight of the bucket and the capacity in the kg to be integers. Okay. Guys, this is also integer and this is also integer. So the new weight should be a multiple of 11. If this is integer, new weight should be a multiple of 11. Is it clear to all, guys? Is it clear to all? What happened, Ram? What happened, Ram? Empty bucket 50%. 7x is the weight. When you are filling it by the 50% of its capacity, 50% of the capacity means like you are filling 50% water. You are filling it by 50% water. You are filling it by 50% water. So its weight is increasing by 2. So from 7x to 9x. So 50% of the water is equal to 2x. So if you completely fill it by water, it is going to be 4x. So new weight of the bucket is empty 7x and water is 4x. So new weight is 7x plus 4x, 11x. If all of them are integer, only the weight of the bucket can be a multiple of 11. Option number A. Is it clear, guys? I can take it infinite many times just to make you clear. Okay? Okay? Clear, guys? Clear? So new weight is 11x, which is a multiple of 11x. X is an integer. Then the only possibility is the multiple of 11, and multiple of 11 is 22 only. Multiple of 11 is 22 only. So today HR got 1 point. This point will help you HR only if you would be regular. This point would be helping you HR only if you are regular. Okay. So as of now, the point table look like this. I would be giving you the point table as well. This is our UP SSC is a state exam of UP. If anyone of his UP is from UP and he want to buy a test series, this is ₹1 only. Okay, this is ₹1 only. You are reading it correct. This is our English medium prep guys channel, English medium prep channel. So if you, then also we can do new empty weight and the full weight. Empty weight and full weight, yeah. So because the condition was there, na Putin, might be. Which of the following can be the weight? The conditional. That question was conditional, bacha. Can be the weight. There can be multiple weights, but it is asking the possibility. So out of given options, that is the possibility only. Everything is free. Quizzes, job alert, previous year PDF live test, practice question, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly, study material, test series, free courses. Only we are being charging for paid courses, and that too very minimum. That too very minimum. That too very minimum, guys. next. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. See you in the next session. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Have a great time. Please do not forget to like before going. Take care of yourself.